Hi everybody, Cindy Ellers here from Cindy's Stamping Studio. I'm located in the central part of Wisconsin, and this is video number 102, and today's date is March 7th, 2022. I'll wait for a couple people to join me because, as you know, I'm a little bit early. I always do that. So I'm always of the persuasion that what if it doesn't kick in? What if it doesn't work? I see my mom is on here, and there's Sally Becker. She's on here. I don't know who the other person is. So, just was looking outside. It just makes me so happy that now we've gained enough daylight. So at 5:30, it's still light out. Well, there's Linda. Hi, Linda. Nice to see you. There we go. And you want to make sure you say hi so you can get in on my door prizes. That's always a good thing. There we go. Yeah. It's just as I was, hi, Sherry Martin. Nice to see you. And thank you so much for sharing. It's just, it was cold today, but the sun did come out about noonish. And so that's a good thing. I just wish it would warm up a little bit because this is March, and I'm one of these people that I get sick of winter fast. Well, there's Bernie. Hi, Bernie. I'll see you tomorrow night at our technique class. And yeah, okay, everybody's popping on, and that just makes me so happy. Okay, what do we have going on, you say? Well, I will be showing you tonight the kit cards for March, or the March class to go. They're the same cards. I just finished them up today. If you want more details, you can go on my blog tomorrow, because that's tomorrow's post. And my blog is called Cindy Stamping Studio. I would appreciate it so much if you would subscribe to it. That would just make my day. When you go on my blog, if you just look on the right-hand side, little ways down, there's a place to put your email address. So you can subscribe that way. Let's see, who else? Oh, Sandy Schumacher. Hi, Sandy. And there's Ronnie Kaiser and Courtney. So glad to see all you guys. And thank you, Bernie, for sharing. I appreciate it. Yes. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is just listed under my name, Cindy Ellers. Or you can do a search. For Cindy's Stamping Studio, and it'll come up that way too. Oh, you're all excited for the new cards. Yes, Linda, they turned out really cute, and I'm happy to be able to start using more spring, brighter colors. We're getting more into for your spring and summer events, so I think they turned out rather nice. Okay, what we have happening this week? Tomorrow night is my technique class, and that's the in-person class. It's in Neillsville. And our technique is baby wipe. If you're interested in this class as a virtual class, because obviously you live too far from Neillsville to attend in person, that is also available. I know it's an old technique, but the last time my ladies did this technique was in 2017. So it might be older, but it's still going to be a lot of fun. Okay, and I think the cards turned out nice. And of course, the stamp sets that we're using, we didn't have back then. So, that's all good. The stamp of the month, I did post them on my blog. And I will show you the choices tonight. You remember, if you're interested in it, vote for your choice. And then whoever wins, that stamp set will make Stamp of the Month. And for $24, you will receive the stamp set. That includes postage and shipping from Stamping Up, and a 4-card kit. Because so many people go and say, oh, I don't know what to do with this stamp set. When you buy this stamp set, now with the stamp of the month, you'll be able to make 4 cards right away. The kits include everything you need except adhesive and the ink. It's just it's a good deal, and it really is, but works out pretty good. Hi, Kay. Thanks for joining me. Okay, I did receive a card today in the mail, so that made me happy, and I will share that with you also. Let me put this here. We have door prizes. So remember, when you share, that's a door prize right there. And then when you comment, that's another door prize. So you want to do both. You could win 2 prizes. It has happened. I use random.org, and it picks the name. So